Hi, and welcome to all my Pie Academy friends out there. So today is October 27th, and in addition to being National American Beer Day, fancy that, it's launch day for my big new 4-pound, 470-page book, Pie Academy, which I've only been talking about for the last couple of years. Like any new father, I'm proud as can be about my new baby, mainly because I know that Pie Academy is going to be smudged and dog-eared and stained and passed from generation to generation of pie makers for years to come. It should be. It's a very durable hardcover. In other words, it's going to be used to spread joy and bring folks together, and knowing that just warms my heart. Now, to celebrate the launch of Pie Academy, and to help you get your kitchen ready for pie baking season, I've partnered with Bob's Red Mill, those wonderful flour folks, USA Pan, whose pie pans I just adore, and my publisher, Storey, to give away an epic Pie Baker's gift bundle. And wait till you see what's in this thing. One lucky winner is going to receive a copy of Pie Academy, a Pie Academy apron and tote bag, ooh la la, a collection of Bob's Red Mill baking flours and one of their aprons, and a Bob's bobblehead, and a 9-inch pie pan from USA Pan. Now, we're running this giveaway on Instagram, so if you don't already follow us there, find and follow the Pie Academy on Instagram and look for this big giveaway post. That's where you'll find the details about how to enter. And don't worry, it's all very easy. So good luck to you. Anyway, this giveaway is the least I can do for all of you who have supported the Pie Academy over the years, purchased my books and pie making courses, attended our pie getaways, shared your pie photos and stories, and turned us into one big happy pie family. So thanks, and I'll see you again soon.